Take a ride in the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.